And there he goes, another fine job. So it's a 32 Chevy. Cute little car. And now I gotta clean up a bit, and I'm gonna go install this here sign. But it's inside a restaurant. I'm gonna be doing it when they close up. So, but I gotta clean up because when you do a job at, some places, you don't want to look like this. You want to look nice. So let's go. Gosh, 7:30. I'm really early. I'm about an hour early, but that's okay. I'll just get up here and slowly set my stuff up. Make sure I didn't forget anything. Okay, so I went in the restaurant and it's really busy with a lot of people in there. So, shoot. The area that I'm going to be working at, there's nobody there because they do know I'm coming out today. I didn't think it'd be this busy still, but there's a lot of people in there. And I don't want to disturb the diners because that wouldn't be very nice. Okay, change of plan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the back of the restaurant and work outside in the back of the restaurant. This way I'm not walking through the restaurant with my drill bit and all that crap. Okay, so we're in the back of the restaurant, and I'm going to let the staff know that I'm back here doing my thing. I'm going to try to zoom in on the people. See those two? I'm putting a sign right there. And I got to wait for those two to leave. Oh boy. Hi.
Hi.
I'm waiting for your place to close up so I can install your sign there.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's going to go with the...
Hi! I'm so excited for
Yeah,
that. Is
gonna
that
go
going
with the-
up in that
Where the
front row?
brooch is?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's going to go on that. I have to paint over it out. So as soon as that guy is broke on the wheel or whatever, it'll be a place to put your sign there.
Well, that's gonna look good.
Yeah. Someone asked me in Maple Valley, what's the story of the pig?
Oh.
And I just BS'd it. I said his name was Hank. That the original Crockett's in Puyallup used to be a feed store or a mill, and all the workers were getting super dehydrated. So he took his pig Hank and he put a water barrel on his back and walked it around to all the workers so that they would stay hydrated and keep working.
Oh,
that's a great story.
Oh, they loved it. They ate it up. Now they can just call it Hank.
I'm like, oh, that's great.
Hank the pig. Great story.
Yeah, it's such a story.
Huh.
And then I asked Sean, I'm like, okay, what's the real story? And he's like, I just liked it. I just liked the pig. I'm like, oh.
Okay, still waiting over here. So let me tell you what I did last night. Early in the evening, I dropped off a couple of signs at 2 different locations, and then after that, it was about 9 o'clock. So I went over to the Puyallup Fairgrounds, and the next day is their opening for the fair, so I just went right inside there. It's dark. Well, watch the video. Done. Let's see if I get in. I hope the gate's just like completely open so they let people in without any questions. Okay. Let's see if this is gonna work. Just taking a wild guess at this one. Oh goody, oh good, I can get right in there. No one's there. Great. And it's one of those animal trailers. Hi there. All right, the guy let me in. Let's see, I think I'm gonna go this way. That's the barbecue place that I always do the signs for. I just dropped off signs for them the other day.
Person and online. More information at jazznightschool.org.
There's my mural again.
Did you miss Old Blues last weekend?
I like the lights.
KNKX now has on demand. Head to the Listen tab on the website or launch the app from your phone.
I guess they bring all the animals really early in the morning.
Blues and all of our specialty shows. You can also visit the vast archive of studio sessions, live music and interviews from the past 20 years. We've also included stories with and about the artists. Find it all on demand.
Okay, those
on
are my
the
big
KNKX
signs.
app and the KNKX
They
channel.
look good at night. There's a Ferris wheel. Yep. Tomorrow morning, the fair opens at 9 o'clock.
How about that? You focus on that?
Job went really smooth. The plan worked. Now I'm just gonna put my paint away. Oh gosh, I used just a little bit of paint. That. And there you go. So that's the job, and thanks for watching. See ya. Bye-bye.